Hey y'all, we got to experience Mario Kart Racing in the flesh with Mario Kart, the most exciting thing I've done in Tokyo so far. The first thing I did as soon as I walked in was run straight to the costumes and I looked through their selection. But before all the fun could start, we took time to read over and sign some important paperwork, but back to the costumes. They had not only Super Mario characters, but anime and superhero characters alike, so it took some time to find a costume I liked. I went with Mario. We took on the long Tokyo karting tour, which took us along the famous Rainbow Bridge, Tokyo Tower, and the world-famous Shibuya Crossing. We drove and drove for hours, and driving next to cars and trucks on the highway, on the roads, were pretty cool. It was my first time driving on the other side of the road, but it was awesome. BT dubs, in order to do this activity in Japan, you definitely need an international driving permit. I got mine from AAA for about $20. So right now we are at across from Rainbow Bridge.
To get into Tokyo, get the Statue of Liberty.
That's Rainbow Bridge right there that we just went across that you guys saw in the clip.
We just drove across this.
It was very stressful, but we did it. Right now we're inside a mall with our uniforms on. People high-key think we're business. Mine is too. Just finished with Mario Kart. It was so fun. I will definitely come back and do the night version of this. If you don't have like a GoPro like I don't anymore, you can definitely rent one here. You can also buy an SD card and they give you like a little pouch to take it home in. And then we also got the body mount. They also have head mounts. They just didn't have any in stock. But yeah, the footage is really good. I still got on the hat because it's real cute. But I'm definitely ready to come back. It's worth every penny. You guys should totally come here. Favorite part?
Probably going over the bridge because that's where we went the fastest. And like that when we got into the garage, you like those sharp turns so you can like drift and like turn. That was pretty fun. Group picture. Everyone.
Show us the pictures.
So this is one of them.
That was the first picture we took before everyone started like swarming us.
All gathered, they swarmed like seagulls. Like picture, picture, picture. Yeah.
They're like, no, we have to go to the bathroom. We're too famous.
She's Beyonce. I'm Northwest. You're Michelle.
How'd you like it?
Awesome.
What was your favorite part?
The Rainbow Bridge for sure. I like the view. It was a nice view. I had to drive super fast. definitely would recommend for sure.
I'm talking about this tour. It was amazing. You were awesome driving, and for next time I try to do more exciting things.
It was exciting. More speed. Oh,
Yeah,
more
more.
speed. Okay.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
fun. All right, y'all ask for him if y'all come back. Or if y'all come.
Come back. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much for today.
She said you can't mix it. So you got strawberry. You got the mix like I did. What'd you get?
Grapefruit and cherry, which is like grapefruit juice and what are those? It's like the fruit boba things. Like you get from Froyo.
So today I am standing outside of Akihabara Station because that's our station pretty much since we've been here. And today we're going to Buddha Bellie to a cooking class. So we have to meet up with them at a meeting place at 10:50. Alexis and Dana are coming with me. We just stopped at the Beck's Coffee in order to get some green tea. All I got was green tea and toast. Oops, too close. So now we're just waiting on Alexis to come outside. So now we can get on the train and get over there to the meeting. You got your jacket or you put it in your bag? Oh. I was like, girl, you leave that jacket. So today it's actually hot. And actually the way it's supposed to be feeling this whole time since we've been here. So we're about to hop on the train. So we got here a little early, so we got a little bit of extra time. So we just want to take a little look around this little shopping area. This might be like what you were talking about, Dana, as far as shopping. What? It looks like there's street clothes and stuff. Where you get like cheap. Yeah, you might be shot glasses. So yeah, we're about to take a look around and see what we can find out here. Cause we got like what, 10 minutes? Yeah. If this light will ever change, 15? Yeah. So, as you guys have come to find out, my new favorite traveling pastime and something I recommend doing while abroad is taking cooking classes. Alexis scheduled us a cooking class at the one and only Buddha Bellie Cooking School in Tokyo, Japan, hosted by the lovely Ayuko Akiyama.
So everybody's ready to start? Okay, welcome to my cooking lesson. My name is Ayuko, and I'm the founder of Buddha Bellies, as well as I'm this is my first recipe book, and it's bilingual, so we're going to use the menu from this book. And what we are doing today is a washoku class, and washoku is, it means general Japanese food. So wa means Japanese, and shoku means food. So Japanese food is generally called washoku. But today what we are making is a certain set menu, which is a typical washoku, so which means everyday menu.
It's a fish.
Yeah, it's a fish meat, and we actually dry them and ferment, and of course smoke them.
As Miss Ayuko said, we learned how to make a washoku dish. It's both healthy and delicious, simple yet complicated, and plain yet refined. A lot of preparing the dish is centered around the presentation, which I personally loved about the Japanese dishes. Plus, it seemed to make whatever meal you were eating taste that much better. A washoku was made up of 4 elements, 3 sai, which are the main and side dishes. Mine were chicken, vegetables, and eggplant. A small plate of konomono, or pickled seasonal vegetables, a bowl of miso soup, and no Japanese dish is complete without a bowl of plain steamed rice. Ayuko not only told us how to make these dishes, but she told us basically where each and every ingredient came from and the significance of it in Japanese culture, which made the class a really fun learning experience as well as like a cooking experience. It was calm and relaxing, and I wish my cooking classes had been like this in high school. There's also a specific setup for washoku meals as well. On the lower left is your rice, the lower right is your miso soup, your upper right is your main dish or your meat, your upper left is your simmered or marinated food or another side dish, and in the center is another side dish. So as I said earlier, delicious and simple, yet elegant and complicated. So we just finished up cooking. It was so fun. This class was so fun. We made a whole like setup, as you guys can see. And this is such a cute little apartment. Like, her apartment is so cute. I would love to stay here and cook some more. I would definitely recommend it. We got a little bit of everything and it was just enough. She even gave us a takeaway box for us to take home. So I'm gonna take some of those egg rolls home that we made. Whatever they're called, I don't know what they called, I forgot. But yeah, so we're about to go and get Miles and then we're gonna go explore. But go ahead and check the description box below so you guys can see the link to the Buddha Bellie. She's actually the owner of it. Her and her husband are both chefs, top chefs, if I do say myself. But yeah, they're both chefs here in Japan and they run their own cooking classes here. There's a whole bunch of different cooking classes as you guys can see on the website. But go ahead and check it out. And if you're in Japan, especially in Tokyo, go ahead and check them out. Bye. Thanks so much. Yeah, we had so much fun.